This video will show you how to install everything you need to develop in eSquare Studio without Omission. Open the eSquare Studio product page in your web browser. To use eSquare Studio with the RA family, select the platform installer from the RA family subpage. To use eSquare Studio with other families, select the installer from the downloads area of the eSquare Studio main page. After logging into My Renesas, click Accept and Download to download the installer. Run the downloaded execute file to launch the installer. To change the installation location, set an empty folder here. Multiple versions can be installed by changing the installation folder. Select the device family to be used. Selecting just the device family you need will make installation and application operation faster. Select the features you need, if required. For example, select language support if you need language support, or Git integration if you need Git integration feature. The required functions are pre-selected. After confirming, proceed to the next step. Select the Renesas Tool Chains tab and make sure the required compiler is selected. When using Renesas emulators, it is recommended to install the self-checking program. Select the GCC Tool Chains tab to select the GNU and LLVM compilers. The Renesas FSP tab is an option that is displayed depending on the device family selected. Select the flexible software package, if required. The Renesas QE tab is an option that is displayed depending on the device family selected. Select the application development support tools, if required. Read each software agreement and check I accept the terms and then proceed to the next step. You can change the group name in the Start menu here. Here you can check the software to be installed. After clicking the Install button, the installation will begin. Depending on the module to be installed, some operations may be required during the process. For example, the GNU compiler requires an operation to agree to the license agreement, confirm the installation location, and install the software. In addition, there may be actions that require elevation to admin. After installation, click the OK button to finish installing everything you need.